Mhm. Here's a link to the drive that proves I was not in Brennan. Yeah. Mhm. Now, for all of the law enforcement that said, well, we don't have to actually protect you from arrest, from being jailed, or the false accusation of a crime. Yes. I have the legal right as a victim, yes, to have restraining orders issued against every one of you. Now, Washington, yes, on June 16th of 2017. Now, at the time that I had emailed this, yes, I had asked you to admit the evidence that you received the videos that I was making that morning. Yes. The emails that I sent that day, that I was in the senior center. Yes. And I was at a house sitting location in Port Angeles, Washington. I was not in Jefferson County telling my wife that I wanted to blow her face off. Now, somebody paid some actors to perpetrate a very violent crime. Yes, where you arrested me. And then you wouldn't admit the evidence of my innocence. Yes, then you made me have mental health evaluations. Now, why don't you give me the sheriffs in each county of the state of Washington, Pooch? Because I'd like to have no contact orders issued against every one of them. Yes, so that they would not contact. Then there are the judges in each of the district and superior courts that I've emailed. The Supreme Court justices themselves. Yes. Now, I know it's one of these public court records where you have a no contact order issued against you because of your refusal to enforce the laws of the United States. Now, I gave you the evidence that I wasn't in Jefferson County on June 16th of 2017. Yes, but you would not exonerate me. Coach, your thought was, well, we're just going to keep this quiet. Yes. We're going to have a little conspiracy of silence. Yes. Well, we as the police department are going to refuse to acknowledge the rights of the victim. Now, for my wife to be involved in the false accusation of me being there, yes, or one of her co-workers in the Brandon School District saying, "Well, your husband sent me an email." Ouch! The truth of the matter is, I didn't send any emails. Now, here's a link to the drive, which that proves I did not fail to appear. You sent the notice to the wrong address because you would not personally serve me the summons to appear for the criminal complaints court hearing. Mike Van Proyen was getting my notices of court hearings. Yes, I have the right to have issued against Mike Van Proyen. Yes, a no contact order. I have the right to be protected. Now, when are you going to make the decision that you're going to enforce the Victim's Bill of Rights? See, when you change the information on my driver's license, yes, it's a violent crime, bias motivated. I'm not in your family. Ooch, I don't want to sew my way in. Pooch. Now, I'm informing those that are liable for the enforcement of the laws. Yes. Now, you would say, well, why would he get no contact orders against every person in law enforcement? Because a jury of my peers would want to know, wouldn't they? Yes. You mean to tell me, yes, that you had to have issued approximately 3 to 500,000 no contact orders in every state of the United States? Yes, because no one would recognize your rights as a victim. And the federal government had to pay for all that. It's all electronic signatures. Yes, I fill it out. Yes, and I name as a respondent every individual in law enforcement. And then I have them served. Yes, and then when I go to suing them, yes, I get the additional damages of having to personally issue no contact.